Great day, family. Great day, family. The word of today, reciprocity. Everybody wants it. Everybody needs it. If you don't know what reciprocity is, look it up. Do what you do for somebody with intention. You always want the same in return. When you say you do something for somebody, you do it from the bottom of your heart, you're still expecting reciprocity. Whether it's relationships, friendships, business, we all want a return. So, going forward today, expect reciprocity. Demand it. Okay? Namaste.